I was 8 years old the first time I went to summer camp.
1, 2, 3, start!
I was excited and nervous, but I knew that this was going to be something really special.
My camp journey started in 2018 when I first came to Canada. I instantly made some amazing connections with some amazing people.
I fell in love with the community, my cool counselors, making new friends.
I know for a fact that I'm going to stay in contact with these people for the rest of my life.
That summer proved to be just the beginning of my camp journey.
Hi, my name is Matt Williams.
My name is Josie Majot, and I'm one of the directors
At Camp Davern. Camp Davern is a co-educational overnight summer camp located in Maberly, Ontario.
And because Camp Davern is a smaller camp, it gives the staff an opportunity to get to know the kids on a more personal level. We get to find out what they really want to do to have fun and how we can help them be their best version of themselves. Camp Davern hosts loads of different activities on the water and on the land. The way it works is in the morning, you're gonna have pre-assigned activities, so everyone gets a chance to try everything. And then after lunch is our favorite part, when you get to pick your own choice picks. And that's a great opportunity for you to try new things and make new friends.
When I first came to camp, I instantly made some amazing connections with some amazing people. People from all walks of life can come together and find things in common, people that they wouldn't necessarily socialize with in their day-to-day life outside of camp.
I think the moment I realized camp was a special place for me is when I looked around and felt this feeling of belonging and felt like no matter what, I had this home.
When counsellors aren't afraid to be themselves, it helps campers be themselves, and I think that's what I love about camp, is that it's full of role models inspiring the next generation to be the best version of themselves.